The customer has the following complaint about a vehicle with the OM651 engine. Sometimes the engine does not provide full power and the engine diagnostic warning light is or was active. Connect Star Diagnosis to find the fault. If error codes from the differential pressure sensor or the exhaust gas temperature sensor are shown, then an excessively high contact resistance may be the cause. This is how you rectify the fault. Thoroughly check to see whether the wiring is damaged. Check the ground point for the engine control unit as well. In our case, there is an exhaust gas temperature sensor code. That is why we replaced the Z-end sleeve on the corresponding wire. To do this, first unplug its connector from the engine control unit. Then uncover the cable and separate the existing wire connection. Set the wire stripper to 15 millimeters. There are 3 cables here which you connect to the Z-end sleeve. First strip 15 millimeters of insulation from all 3 cables. This is the Z-end sleeve. This is available in different sizes. The part number displayed is for sleeves designed for cables with a 2 to 4 square millimeter cross section. Now for the installation. Ensure that you do not soil the wires. Then line up the cut ends of the wires and push them into the cone. Do not twist the wires. Once the wires are in place, turn the cone. Ensure that the insulation on the cable is not in the copper cone. Now for the soldering. The hot air blower must work at 400 degrees. Preheat it if necessary. Important, always begin on the ring made of solder until this melts. Once the cone has a silver sheen, move the hot air blower in the direction of the cable. Melt the shrink sleeve. If there are differential pressure sensor error codes, fit a repair wiring set with a new connector. To do this, remove the differential pressure sensor wire. Remove the wire and install the new one. Only use end connectors to connect the wiring. Use a multimeter to carry out a continuity test to check the soldered connection. See the vehicle's wiring diagram. Everything is okay here. Wind fiber ribbon around the cable and then reconnect the wiring. Thoroughly check that the connector is seated correctly. Then delete the error memory with the help of Star Diagnosis. Take a test drive and then your work is done.